they have now introduced something called Citizenship Amendment Act. The bank has waived off loans for 980 people who availed loans between 100 crore to 500 crore. But at the same time, farmers were begging for agri loan waivers, but no one cared about. I don't know what to say. Plant trees with joy. Name them like they are your children. We had more than 50,000 warriors. Give the trees their names. There are heroes who died for our mother tongue. There are people who died fighting for our ethnic liberation. They can be honored by naming the trees after them. Our Mother Nature fulfills the needs of all living beings in the world. But she is unable to satisfy the greed of humans. Buddha said, use the nature without harming or disturbing it. Like honeybees entering a flower and coming out after eating the honey without any damage to the flower. But humans are not like that. They chop off the liver of Mother Earth because of their greed for money. Extraction of methane, ethane and hydrocarbon. They have turned the breathing air into toxic fumes. They have poisoned the rivers and streams that act as the blood vessels of the earth, plundering the sands and dumping industrial wastes. Finally, those monsters have turned the gaze towards the mountains. In the name of quarries, they have started destroying the mountains by crushing them. It has taken 21 years for our beloved brother to build this forest. This forest has seen a generation. We can create forests and leave them to the next generation, but how could you make mountain and sand? Who could create it? It can never be made possible by human power. It was the waterfalls that created the rivers and the sand. It was the mountains that gave birth to the waterfalls. A waterfall springs from the bosom of Mother Earth like a mother's milk to a child. Man made only lakes and ponds. Man built only the cisterns and the wells. Rivers are not made by humans. Rivers are the gifts of nature.